when he gets out. Let's see who's flying here. Frank M. Bush. This is a
Wanted.
BMC.
He's wanted for a lost shit.
Still a cleanup though.
Whoever chases him, get him, boys. Chase him and restrain him, that's yours.
He's probably sitting here waiting. He has a spotlight on all of us.
Get out here, boy. Who's shooting?
Who's shooting? You have to
It's
tell
a
him to wave
warning.
off.
It's a warning shot.
Maybe he's
What if I
getting fuel?
tased him, dude? That'd be sick. If I
Nah, you're not allowed to
snipe
tase out of a helicopter,
I know,
but you're a
but-
taser away.
That'd be awesome. Imagine just tasing someone out of there, big.
Yep, that got him off.
One shot.
Or
No
not.
way.
Here,
No
I'll
way they're
rush.
making
I'll
this
rush up if he's trying to drop someone off.
We robbed the bank, never got many, but we got away with so many cops passed me when searching for me. Cool, G-Man, we don't care. Wow, really?
Really?
That bitch kamikaze you guys.
No, he kamikaze another person.
Oh shit! I just ran into that one.
Be careful, just in case gas station goes. What the fuck, dude?
I see, I was backing out. I didn't want
Is
to
that
get thrown
a,
out
is it
by
not
the
a
gas